Hello guys, welcome back to Limitlessmotherb channel. I am Brenda and welcome if you guys are new. Today's video is going to be a grocery haul, like a big grocery haul. I still need to go to Winco. I might just add this on. I have to tomorrow morning, so I gotta go put gas and I'll go. But right now we went to Costco and we got quite a few things, and then I do want to clean my fridge. You guys might see it, you guys might not. It's just gets hectic sometimes with moving the camera, putting it in different places and stuff like that. But anyway. Too much talking. Let's start with Costco grocery haul, and then maybe we'll see the fridge and see how we can put everything away. Alright guys. Alright, so the first thing over here I have some chicken breast. I got some coffee made, and this comes with two. I got the Guerrero tortillas de maíz, and then I got the other ones, the flour ones, corn and flour. I got the Delights English muffins. I got a couple different things, so kind of excited. We got some Lunchables for the kids. I got this. Well, Luis wanted this kind of bacon. We never really tried this kind. It's kind of thick, delicious. So yeah, I got two of the hot links. It is weekend of July 4th. We might just probably do some hot dogs or some links or whatever. I don't know, but we just got it. We got some ground beef. We got some lasagna. Jay and the kids, the kids really like this. I got a lemonade as well, and yep, we got pizza for dinner because I did work today, and I was not trying to cook right now. We got sodas. We already hacked into those. We got a big jasmine rice. Oh, hello, Oreo. It's Oreo. That's cool. Alright guys. So over here I got some corn. We got 2 bags of avocado. Excuse me. I got 2 bags of avocado. We got some lemons. Needed some. Then over here we got some butter croissants. Mia loves these things. She already opened it and grabbed one. Over here I have 2 of the flaming hot Cheetos. My sister has been looking for them everywhere, and last time we went to Walmart, that's where I got this. Well, she bought it first. And there was no chips at all, so I saw these and I was like, why not just pick some up for my sister. And then I got the Cliff Bars. If you guys don't know, I am working at a dental office, so oh my god, that hurted. So I got this Cliff Bars. I used to eat these Cliff Bars when I was at school for a esthetician. Excuse me. As an esthetician, and they were selling these at the school lunch area, cafeteria, I guess. So yeah, you did got a bow. Excuse me. So I just picked these up. They didn't have the X-Bar ones. That's why I kind of don't like this Costco, because they see, mamita. Can I talk? Give me a second, okay? The X-Bar ones, they had them last time really stocked, but now they had none. So I was kind of upset. I really like those X-Bar ones because it's just a few ingredients. I think they're called X-Bars. I'm not sure. I'll look it up and post it right here. But I got some hot dogs, of course. We got some chippies. Then I got some bread, some sandwich breads. We got 2 of the bananas for myself. I've been wanting to take proteins and stuff, so I think this will be good. Cheese, fruits, and nuts pack so I could take them to work. And then I got this chocolate. Let's go this way. I got 2 of the cucumbers, organic cucumbers, I guess. I got the baby spinach. I like the the plastic one, just because the other one in the bag always gets really disgusting right away. I got some strawberries. Alright guys, I don't know where I left off. I had no more memory. So we have a salad. I love this salad. 2 salads for me are literally, this is 2 salads for me. Maybe lunch and dinner. You could put maybe like a grilled chicken or a grilled salmon, or like in the air fryer. Usually I do them in the air fryer. They are super, super good. Some broccoli. I got this beautiful thing. I'll put that in the fridge as soon as I'm done. Watermelon, me, I want a watermelon. We got some strawberries. We got some seaweed. Last time I told you guys I wanted some seaweed from Costco. Didn't find them, but today found them. These were 10 something, I believe. And then I got some diapers for La Nena, but she really needs to get off them damn diapers. And then we got some cereal and some mac and cheese for the kids, so whenever they're here, when I'm working, they have easy stuff to munch on. Alright guys, so we went to Winco, and this is how it's looking. Okay, so we're gonna start over here on the veggie side. Fruit. I got 4 peaches. I got some cilantro. Got some grapes. We got some onions, some yellow ones, I believe. Tomatillos. Got 3 tomatoes, sorry. I got green and yellow peppers. Then I got some kale. Okay, and then over here we got some soup. We got some maruchanes. And then I got the alphabet sopita. Then I got some chow mein noodles also. Over here we have some apples. Girls really like those apples. Then I got 4 of these creamy nieves, strawberry sugar waffles. Everybody here likes them. I got some cheese, some single American, Kraft singles, and then I got 2 of the pennes pasta. And then over here I got some deodorant. I want to try this. We'll see how it works. Arm & Hammer. And then I got some Q-tips because we needed Q-tips. Then I got some burrito size tortillas, grande burrito tortillas. Then I got the Chips Ahoy, the chewy ones. JJ really likes these ones, so I like those too. Then I got a Dunkin' iced coffee. I got this one already ready to go. Just put some ice and drink it. I got some almond milk. I got this syrup for caramel and coffee, I guess. I want to try it out. And then I got 2 of the mandarin teriyaki sauce. This is our favorite. Over here we have some mini corn dogs, super easy in the microwave or oven, air fryer. I got some tostadas because I want to make some ensalada de pollo. Then over here I got some Sunny D, regular 2% milk, and then some fruit punch Minute Maid. And then let's go around and I'll show you that way. And I got 2 of these pork seasoned. I got 2 of them, they're the same. And then I got this salami. It looks really good, so I just picked it up. And then I got some Oaxaca queso because I want to make some rajas con crema con rajas, or queso con crema, or whatever. But anyway, I got some soy chorizo. I really enjoy the vegetarian one. And then I got 4 of the Franks, the classic Franks. I got some golden crinkled french fries. Jonathan really likes this one. And then some sausage links also. And then coming over here, I got the Mexican crema just because the rajas con crema was asking for the Mexican one. I guess it's just better. I don't know. I looked it up. What's the difference? Anyway, what the hell? Anyway, I got some avocado mayo. I got 2 of the creamy tomato just because I've been really into grilled cheese, and I've been wanting some tomato for my grilled cheese. Tomato soup with my grilled cheese. So I thought that was awesome when I found it. I was like, oh yeah. I got the Greek non-fat yogurt with vanilla flavor. And then I got 2 of the lecheras. And then I got 2 evaporated milk carnation. Just like that. Then I got some more jelly. The other one's running a little low, so might as well just keep one in stock. Or actually, I got 4, guys. Do you guys see that? I got 4 of the carnations. But I've been into right now making agua de horchata, like made, not easy way, like just to pack it in the water. But no, I've been making the rice and the cinnamon and all that. Man, I've been digging it. Anyway, I got 2 of the corn, the kernels. Then I got the sponges. I want to try these. Just because these are different. This is like sponge. To wash my dishes, I needed some. And then this is already open, so it was already here. Just making sure you guys know. I got extra long-lasting flavor peppermint. This will help me a lot if I'm working and I'm hungry. Just, you know, have that. I got some Kool-Aid liquid, and I like these because these have 0 sugar, 0 calories for the kids. Get their water in. And then JJ got this one. This one's a lot bigger. You guys can see the difference. And then I got this Hawaiian fruit punch, fruit juicy red, just like that. And then I got, oops, this one also. You guys can see. And then over here we got some pinto beans refried, and I got the black beans refried as well, just to have some beans there. And then, oops, I got the wrong one. Oh well, it's a cherry blade lemonade, but I like the sour head the best. And then I got 2 of the Italian sausage garlics, and then the artisan for cheese sauce. So I think that's it. And then I got 2 bags of chicharrones to make salsa verde with it, and then chicharrones pinwheels for the girls. So yeah, that's it. But yeah, like I said, let's see our fridge and see if we find a space for everything. I do have to clean. Sorry, my braids are really tight, so they're really itching me right now. Yeah. So, oh gosh, we'll see if anything fits. It's really dark in here, huh? Let's see if yeah, it's really dark. Let me see. A little bit better, right? So I'm gonna take everything out, try to wipe it down. First this top, and then we'll go to the bottom. And I want to try to hurry up because I do have frozen stuff. So hi.
Ice cream.
Ice cream? We didn't get ice cream today.
Yeah, they like this.
But we do have ice cream. Alright guys, so I want to show you guys these amazing comments. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much. It made my day seeing all the beautiful comments. It's just amazing. Thank you so much.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
Get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth. Get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking, I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often, I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids, talking, I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend, keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain. Siblings on my nerves again. Summertime, go for a swim. Wintertime, go grab a sled. Spring, I might need an umbrella. Fall back in school with my friends. Attitude change like the weather. My mom tell me it never ends. Like clocks, we evolve in a circle. Every 12 months we do it again. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the type for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden or gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden or gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am gold, I'm golden.
No quiero nada, solo tú en mi habitación. Yo no quiero nada, yo no quiero esta relación, yeah. Ni romperte el corazón, yeah, yeah. Refrescame la mente para recordarte, bebé. Baby, el que se enamora pierde, por eso ya te olvidé. Y digo que te amo, no es verdad. El calentón me pone mal. Sabes que no estoy para jugar a la pareja ideal.
Alright, zero memory, run! Oh, these beautiful came out. Let me just put all under there. All these goodies, goods. Look at all these, yummy. And everything up there. And then just try to fix everything else. And then, of course, up there. But this is like the main thing here because the kids are always here, just hanging out. This is like my area, kids area. But yeah. What are you eating? Get out of here. I have to sweep because we had a lot of stuff in there. Alright, so this is how my fridge came out. We got everything in order, know where everything is. And up here as well. Sorry, I turned everything off just because it's really hot. I'll turn on the light just for you guys. But everything's in order. All our chicken, lasagna, our soups, toast. And most of this stuff I take it out of the bag or like boxes and stuff like that just because boxes takes a lot of space. We literally recycled a lot. And I love the thing that we could recycle here because we have a recycling bin. It's hot. I'll stay in here. I'll stay in here a little. But I'm going to probably drink a little with some chips or chocolate or whatever. But anyway, I want to say thank you guys so much. I had so much love back from my last video. If you guys haven't seen my last video, please go check it out. I'm tired right now, but we're getting there. Having a job just gets my head out of it, you know, and thank goodness. I'm so grateful for each and every one that comment me. I have read most of all of them. I haven't replied, but I think I will do that tonight, and I'll edit this video as well. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys so much. And I do want to give a shout out to my sister's friend, Anna Banana. Hi girl, if you're watching this, please send a black heart in my comments. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. And like my sister says, you're my #1 fan. I love you so much. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye.